And now to give you a more clearer picture, let's take one specific use case, that is policy documents. Imagine an insurance provider using AI in Zoho Writer to instantly generate the complete content for a corporate health policy document. All they need to do is provide key terms like policy coverage and exclusions, and AI creates a solid draft in seconds. This draft can be formatted into a well-structured document with features like key disclaimers highlighted in the left margin, a clear table of contents, and neatly organized sections, making it easy for corporate HR teams to navigate. Once this is finalized, it's shared with underwriters and compliance teams and saved as an organization-wide template for consistent future reuse.
Exactly, Jennifer. So yes, you have mentioned the scenario. So let me just walk the audience through the how you can use AI to generate documents that can be neatly drafted and formatted with the elements right inside Zoho Writer. So let me just quickly jump over to the document section. And yes, here's a writer's landing page. And here, this is a new feature that we have recently launched, which is create a new document using AI. So previously, if you'd like to create a document, then it's really a hassle for you. You would be, searching for the internet for various contents, and then you would put into a document in order to get it. Or else, if you're using any AI tools right now, you would be using, let's say, ChatGPT or any other OpenAI platforms to generate the documents where you'll have issues with formatting and various other difficulties that you might go through. Whereas when it comes to AI within Zoho Writer, you can just integrate your OpenAI, and using that you can easily generate documents with the required formatting that you need. So in this case, let me show you a quick sample of the document that I've created within Zoho Writer using this AI tool. So here you can see that this is a policy document, and there are policy coverage, exclusions, claim details, premium details, terms and conditions, and furthermore, we have also added a table that contains premium details. So now what I have done is I just gave my initial work to the AI. So it gave me this document, and according to my preference, all I have to do are just minor changes. So let me show you how you can generate a document like the one that I've shown you. So just go to create new and click on document using AI. So now you'll have options to generate a document, and I have already a preset prompt that I've used. So let me just use that itself. So here I'm just giving generate a neatly designed and formatted insurance policy document and the required information according to my preference. So now I'll just click on generate. And the most important thing here is it gives you three options, so which is professional, modern, and traditional. So these are the three options where you can make use of these according to your preference and just easily generate the documents right away. So these are the three options. So let me just click on professional. So I'll just, if I want, I can also view the preview of it. So here is the preview of the contents, and here I'll also be able to add more information and then regenerate it in order to get a more refined response. So I'll just go ahead and use the professional version. So yeah, that's it. So now your document content is actually ready. So all you have to do is just make some changes according to your preference and your company policy, and then you're good to go and publish this document. So if you'd like to have more formatting options, then what you can do is you can add text boxes. So by clicking on the header, you'll be able to insert a text box into the document. And then let's say this is a confidential information. I just want it to be placed somewhere on the left margin. What I can do is I can just add this information, provide any background color if required. I'll add red color. And yes, so now according to my preference, I'll resize this and then go ahead and rotate it. So I'll just place it on the left margin over here. So now as you can see, this is a header content, and it's actually continued throughout the document. It may be according to the number of pages that I have. And here you can see that there is a text box added, and if required I can also insert a table, or I can even ask the AI to generate a table with the premium details based on my preference. So if I'd like to add a table, what I can do is I can just simply go to the table options, select the number of rows required and columns, and then the table is inserted. And formatting is even made simpler. So you just have to go to the table settings, get into the design, and choose any one of the required formatting and themes easily. So we have n number of themes, so you can choose any one according to your preference. So now once that is done, so let's just say I wanted to add a table within a table. So what I can do is I can just click on the cell in which I wanted to add a table, or even merge these cells together and then go ahead and insert a table. So now I'll just go to the table option, maybe insert a small table. So here you can see that I have inserted a table within a cell. So I have merged this particular row and then I have inserted a table. So that's how I have done it in the previous document. So here I got the table, and with that you can see that I have added two tables. So the comprehensive plan is a separate table and the overall premium details is another table. So that's how you can do that. And also we support the table of contents as well. So now if I would like to go ahead and insert any table of contents, all I have to do is just go to the insert option and click on table of contents, and according to my preference configure it and then just insert it into the document. Furthermore, if I'd like, I can also have multi-column layouts within the document, and not only within the document, also within a particular section. So for that, what I can do is I can just go ahead and insert a break. So here under the insert tab, you can find the break option available, and I'm inserting a section break continuous. So now once that is done, I'm going to end this over here. So let's just say I just want the terms and conditions to be displayed in a 2-column layout. So now I'm just going to the break option again, and I'm just inserting another break. So now my terms and condition is within a section break. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to insert a column here. Go to the page setup and then click on multi-column. So now here you can see that the terms and conditions alone has got a multi-column layout, whereas if I click on here, you can see that the margins are not available. So this is a single column layout, and here under the terms and condition I've got a multi-column layout. So using breaks you'll be able to achieve this. And also if you'd like to have a column break, you can add that as well. So you can go to the insert tab and then go to the break option, where you'll be able to insert a column break as well, so that the remaining contents within the section just moves over to the next column. So now when I click on the filter icon, you'll be able to see the number of breaks that I've added. So I've added a section break here which ends here, and a column break so that my contents is pushed to the next column. So using this, you'll be able to insert multiple layouts as well. So within the same document or even within the page, you will have options to insert multiple columns. So as of now, we have up to 3, and left and right columns are available. So using this, you'll be able to easily format the contents within your document. And once the formatting is completed, what you can do is you can go to the file option and click on save as template and move to as organization template, and then save this document. So now it instantly gets converted to a organization template, so that all the users within your organization will have the option to just click this use this button option, use this template button, and then easily generate this as a document. So let's just say you wanted to send it to a particular client or to a particular department. They just can get into the organization templates, click on this use this template option, which will create a copy of the template as a document. And now once that is done, they can simply change the name or add the information according to their preference, and then go ahead and share it to the appropriate client or to the team members. So document creation using this AI tool and using these formats available, you'll be able to create documents not just with hours, it's just with minutes.
Thank you, Gautam, for that clear-cut demo on how you can generate draft, format it, and also save it as a template using Zoho Writer. Very much useful in today's AI driven world.